pulling up to the second meet. BMW with a pop tune is in front of us. He just turned his lights off. I think the meet is right there. I have no idea where I'm gonna park. Bunch of Mustangs. Nice. More Mustangs. Y'all saw that Z01 back there, by the way? Audi R8. He totally ripped it right there. Dang, that thing sounds good. See if he'll floor it at the light. Got on it a little bit. Let's go check out some of the cars here. Still going. Alright, let's walk around. This meet is huge. Boosted 5.0, centrifugal blower, Hellcat, no hood gang, another 5.0, Beamer, this is Z01. Damn. Oh shoot, I didn't even see that C6 driving through. Just a base model. Slammed Beamer with the iridescent wrap. What, the GT350?
Yeah, that's his dad.
Yeah, GT350 is nice. 5.0 S650. Oh my gosh, dude. Yes, please. Green GTR. On bags.
Shut down.
Euro taillights. Alfa Romeo. Dodge Neon with no hood. With a turbo. Look at that turbo. Hood exit. Or lack thereof. Wow. Not bad. S2000. Pretty sure that right there is a Dodge Demon. Holy. What? Sheesh. That's crazy. Wide body. Whoa, what the? It's a hatch.
Is that a Magnum with a Charger front end?
Wait, what? I'm hella confused. Look at the front end, and then I'll show you guys the rear end. Yeah, look. What the? Definitely different. That's sick. Clean Beamer. It's like a Nardo gray. Got some Gen 1 Coyotes. Sounds good. Evo? It is an Evo. I thought that was a cop for a sec. Oh, Hayabusa. Whoa. Flying. CL1. TRX with a 360 camera. Going nuts over there. Subi. Hellcat ribbon. Another Beamer. No headlights. Hey, your headlights aren't on. Headlights. Your headlights aren't on. Oh. Almost an accident right there. Another S650. Flying. Is there not a stop sign right here? Oh, there's not. Yeah, they're flying.
I would not trust that though.
Yeah, right? Somebody doesn't see it. Boom. Supra.
Yeah.
Hood exit and E85. Smell it. Whoa. Another Mustang S650. I don't know, I couldn't see, the sign was in the way. And now the cops are here.
Definitely gonna shut it down.
You think so?
He's speeding up. Smell it, bro.
Usually they wait for another one.
5 seconds in, bro. Light it up.
Yeah? He's taking a right.
Oh? Or he's getting up with backup?
That's usually what they do, is they wait for backup and then... Actually, I see cop lights looping around. Oh, he's stopping. There's no way he doesn't shut this down, right?
Second round.
Let's see which way he turns this time. No, he's turning right again.
Are you serious?
Yeah, weird. Everybody's revving. A 650 taillights. Ooh. Man, that is nice. Oh my gosh. Supra. Oh, he just fell on the bike. The cop's right there. Is he good? About to go help? I think he's got it. Alright. Alright, he's good. And the cop looks like he took a left this time. Tow truck 1, tow truck 2. Alright, so let me tell you guys what I think's about to go down. Maybe I'm just overthinking things, but uh-oh, I think that cop that was at the meet is following somebody right there. Hey, that cop that was at that meet was behind that one car. Yeah, and he went that way. So here's what I'm thinking. The cops are waiting to call in more backup. They're gonna block every entrance to get in there, give everybody tickets, and tow as much as they can. I don't know, bro. I wouldn't be surprised nowadays. I don't know. Maybe we're just overthinking things. But last time I didn't overthink things. I got pulled over for absolutely no reason, so I wouldn't even be surprised if that were the case. They've been cracking down like car meets and gatherings and stuff like this because of the takeovers. So also, if you have more than 10 gathered, it's considered a takeover. Yeah, you can get a ticket, like I think it's like 400 bucks or something. Yeah, it's insane, and it's only getting worse. Made it to the third car meet of the night. Alright, let's check everything. The ZL1 came from the other meet over here. Same with the Hellcat, Mustang. Thought I saw a Lamborghini parked over there. Yep. Let's go check it out. Lamborghini. Man, this thing is nice. With the wing, love it. Oh, this is C4.
My clutch is actually tomorrow. Yeah. Last week was lit as fuck. Yeah, it's getting too popular though. Like, it's getting to a point I gotta tone it down. Yeah, bro. I had Jacksonville. It's getting too popular.
Dang, that's loud. Love the fenders.
Bro, so they meet up at